Lakliba June Kunmathoi the Pangtokadoriba Neet UG examination assay Yamna Ing Tapna Kanglun Chumna Pangtoknaba Mari Lainaba Singda Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan Paotak Pikre Wafam Asin Nauna Amukhana Pangtokadoriba Neet UG examination ge Sem Sariba Sing Yangshinaba Mahakna Mayai Changba Lauraga Ngasi Pangtokiba Awang Bathake review meeting amada Mahakna Phonokibane Minister of Education State Lenga Kim Hut Singh National Testing Agency NTA Amade Higher Education Institution Singi Senior Official Amasung Functionary Amade School Education and Literacy Department Secretary Sanjay Kumar Higher Education Department Secretary Binit Joshi Amade NTA Director General Abhishek Singh Saruk Yaraga Pangtokhiba Mifam Aduda Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan examination asigi process ta asoi angam thokta bang pari leinaba official singna mikup nahom singna leibaga loinana awang ba thake integrity transparency amade efficiency ningthina ngakna chatnaba pautang pikhe mifam aduda makna hai amuk khana pangthokliba examination ase yamna free and fair oina pangthoknabagi tamak mathau taba khongthang pumnamak lakhotkatabane examination asigi process ta level khudingmakta leiriba official khudingmak coordination leinagadabane examination asigi tamak ministry na designated tawraba official singna state singda laktuna examination asigi thabak thorom singda mateng pangkane loinana NTA gi DG na luchingba command center da report tawgane center ngakpigane state lengak singna designate tawriba nodal officer singna mahairui sing examination asi yamna chaning tana thaba yanaba paikhat pa yaba thabak sing pahit kadabani haina su mahangna pautang pikhe tongan ba miyoi chaniga kunni thoi rom na saruk yaduna hybrid model moda pangthokhiba mifam aduda NTA gi Director General Abhishek Singh na hai examination asi yamna ing tapna kanglun chumna pangthoknaba district magistrate na luchingba district level coordination committee sing yauna state police department sing intelligence agency sing amade mari lainaba authority sing punna thabak paikhat minari haina mahakna pongdokhe